Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can remove our SIM card from Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. To do so, we're gonna need to use the eject pin that is included, of course, inside the box of Motorola. Once you have it, at the bottom of the device, we have the SIM tray, and on the left side here we have the hole. We need to put the eject pin inside this hole, and then once you are in, push it slightly so that the SIM tray comes out just a bit. Once it does, use your fingers in order to fully take it out. And there we go. Over here we have the SIM tray. Now in order to take out the SIM card, we need to bend the SIM tray just a little bit, not too much, in order to not break it. Just slightly bend it, and then the SIM card should pop up just slightly, and then you can use your fingers in order to take it out. And once you are done, of course, remember that this is the front side. It is also written over here. And this is how we can put it back in. Just insert it and push it forward. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.